Eco-Series heaters, a remarkable fusion of safety, efficiency, and advanced technology. The Eco-Series heaters, designed for maximum performance and energy efficiency, provide an ideal heating solution for greenhouses, poultry farms, production halls, workshops, retail stores, and sport facilities. The Eco-Series ensures certified performance and full compliance with leading national and international safety and quality standards. With an innovative design, these heaters are manufactured and patented exclusively by the KGY knowledge-based company, with no equivalent models available either domestically or internationally. Offered in 3 models with heating capacities of 70, 174, and 290 kilowatts, capable of effectively heating spaces from 600 to 7,000 cubic meters, even at ambient temperature as low as -20 degrees Celsius, delivering uniform warmth in minimal time. A powerful air circulation system guarantees consistent and uniform airflow throughout the entire area. High-efficiency furnace and heat exchanger designs meet the most stringent safety and energy performance standards. A top-mounted fan combined with a bottom air outlet creates reversed airflow pattern that maximizes thermal exchange, achieving efficiencies of up to 94%. Optimized heat transfer is achieved through complete air contact with all heated surfaces of the furnace and heat exchanger, ensuring rapid and uniform air distribution. A modular precision-engineered combustion and heat exchange system prevents gas backflow and pollutant leakage. Equipped with a safety combustion valve and removable cap, providing enhanced protection in emergency conditions. Built for exceptional durability, featuring an all-stainless steel furnace and heat exchanger resistant to high temperatures, along with a heavy-duty galvanized body coated with baked electrostatic powder paint for extended service life. An advanced control panel fully compatible with automation systems allows real-time monitoring of furnace and heat exchanger temperatures, as well as precise indoor climate regulation. Straightforward installation, startup, and maintenance reduce downtime and operational costs. A modern, compact design minimizes space requirements. Portable and easy to handle with ergonomic carrying handles, eliminating the need for cranes during movement. Highly transportable, enabling multiple units to be loaded onto a single truck to reduce logistics costs. Compatible with gas, diesel, or dual fuel burners, and available in both single-phase and 3-phase configurations. In the Eco 150 and Eco 250 models, warm air can be discharged from 3 adjustable outlets with customizable height and direction for optimal airflow distribution. For more information or to purchase these innovative knowledge-based heaters, please contact the KGY sales team. We've got you covered.